Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be doing Satisfying Sunday, but we're only going to be doing 3 slimes, so hope you enjoy. Okay, so for this first slime I'm going to be doing today, it is this blue one. Okay. I love the color of this one. It's very squishy. This one's also very stretchy and glossy. I picked this slime because in the beginning it had all those bubbles on the top, and I could rub this little spatula through it, and I thought it was very satisfying. That, and I really like how smooth this one looks. Okay, moving on to number 2. For number 2, we have this. I feel like this needs a little pizzazz. I feel like this is kind of still very sticky. So, to add a little pizzazz to this one, I'm going to go to this slime, which is also very satisfying. This is still the first slime. I mean the second slime. Just taking a little bit out of this slime. Okay, so this is slime number 2. I picked this slime because it is very spreadable, like you can spread it with a spatula, and I thought it was pretty satisfying looking because of all those like little pieces of jelly cube crushed up in it. I really do like this slime. Has a wonderful texture, and I thought it was very perfect for Satisfying Sunday. Okay, moving on. Okay, for our next slime, this reminds me of that pumpkin stuff you put in like pumpkin bread, like the pumpkin base. It's very liquidy like that. Very stretchy, has really good bubble pops. I am gonna have to add a little bit of orange to this, and I know this Satisfying Sunday is usually not like this and me adding stuff to the slime, but I feel like these couple slimes really did need a little bit of extra something. So yeah, this one is as well pretty spreadable. Oh, I didn't like that. Let's try that again. But anyways, guys, if you haven't checked out any of my other videos, go check them out. But anyways, guys, bye!